Hi, and welcome to Stories of the Holocaust Overview. I'm Miss Robbins, and I'm going to be walking you through what we hope to accomplish this trimester in the Stories of the Holocaust course. We will be reading two books this trimester, Night by Elie Wiesel and Auschwitz, A Doctor's Eyewitness Account by Dr. Miklos Naisili. These are both true stories told from the first-person account of what their experience was like in concentration camps in Germany. In addition, we'll be watching three movies, Schindler's List, The Pianist, and Denial. Again, all three are true stories. The first one is an Oscar-winning movie starring Liam Neeson about Oskar Schindler and the rescue of a number of Jews from the concentration camps. The second, The Pianist, is a story of a young man who was not sent to a concentration camp but tried to escape and shows all of the different ways that he tried to avoid being in those camps. And the third is a more modern piece called Denial. It tells the true story of a college professor who was sued by a British man because he was a Holocaust denier, and he sued her for libel. So it goes through the trial in England about what happened there. It's an interesting piece because it also shows the differences between the US legal system and the British legal system. We will study a lot of things in this course, including a timeline of the Holocaust from the start of World War I to the Nuremberg trials. We will also visit sites online for the United States Holocaust Memorial Museum, as well as Yad Vashem, which is the World Holocaust Remembrance Center in Israel. I'm going to ask you to really dive into both of those and explore to see what kinds of resources that they have. Finally, at the end of the trimester, we will talk about genocide. Unfortunately, genocide keeps happening over and over again. We will go over the United Nations definition of genocide, what the 10 stages of genocide look like, as well as many, many, many historical examples of genocide. This is not an easy trimester to take. It's depressing information, but it's really important to understand in order so that we can help to make sure that this does not happen again. I'm really looking forward to working with you. It's going to be a different trimester. I'm hoping that you're going to dive into some independent work and look up articles and information on your own. And I look forward to seeing you in class.